It was the Big Bang some 13 billion years ago. Before this period, scientists said so far, the time did not exist, with the spectral. Before the Big Bang we cannot know it, because the laws of physics do not allow us to do that. In short, we cannot go back in time bigabia. So we cannot know what the kilokitu what we know about the Big Bang. For example, where does bigabium? In other words, where is the center of the universe, Jill? This question is very common question. Considering logically, where did the Big Bang to answer the question if we can find out where the center of the universe? What people do not understand that being born in the Big Bang does not matter, Mahasuya own expansion. It was the Big Bang, when everything was in one place, in a small place. The space has expanded into the universe today. Note that this was Payatati complete universe, and it has been extended, so the Big Bang is a particular place where nickel was the Big Bang. Hayach everything in the universe expanded, increasing the distance between the two places. To be clear, the expansion of space was largely ubiquitous. And the thing is the expansion of space is still happening. This does not mean that your molecules being expanded, or substances are being expanded. Expansion is the only Mahasuyare. If you Mahajaga take a bread oven inside the swollen like a fantasy, then you will see that it is being expanded to all intents and purposes. But if you look inside the bread, such as a piece of banana or palm, its propagation is not happening. Rather, the inner collar pieces of bread, the galaxy, as well as once again moved further away from each other, because of their spacing, space, is being expanded. Since the expansion is everywhere, the center of the universe is no money. Rather, we can say that each of their observers are in the center of the universe. This is because the light horizon, event horizon. That is as far as we can see our event horizon. Since Suyasthi the speed of light is constant, and in most parts of the empty space, Duratbabiapi our event horizon is supposed to be the same on each side, the one side, the distance should not be less than the other, since the light goes at the same speed. So, if you are trying to determine the Digatakera center of the universe, you will find it always Jayagatai observer status.